message. For the following county, Geauga County, Ohio. Heat advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a heat advisory, which is in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Heat index values around 100. Timing: heat index values will exceed 100 this afternoon into the early evening. Impacts: the heat index values are expected to reach between 100 and 104 this afternoon and evening. This will make it feel even hotter than the temperature indicates. Expect hazy, hot, and humid conditions today, and avoid unnecessary activity during the heat of the day. And heat advisory means that high temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors.
National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.